Hi everyone, this is Balaji. Now we're going to see how to do the OR operation in Excel. Already I put two videos how to do sum operation and AND operation. Now we're going to see OR operation in Excel. OR means we can add two Boolean variables. So further we go to Excel. Type Excel. We have to click the plus symbol in top of the sheet. So plus symbol, we have the blank sheet. So we can type we can add two Boolean variables. Further we have to type first, select the first cell and type 0. On second cell we have to type 1. On third cell we have to give the formula. Further to go to this tab and type equal. Type equal and type R, and to open the bracket and select the first cell and put comma and type select the second cell and close the bracket, and you have to press enter. You press the green color button in tick bar, okay, to put getting true. Here R operation is 0 1. 0 1 is any one cell is 1 means we get true value. Similarly we can do for horizontal vertical. So we have to select here 0 and here select 1. So here drag it. So we'll get true value. Here also same value true will get. Here I give this formula. I have to select this. I copy this. Copied and paste it here. Paste it. Here we have to change the cell. Already we have this cell. We have to select and put comma and select the next cell, okay, and close the bracket and enter. So we'll get false because of here 0 and 0 will get false. Here 1 1 means we have to fill the cell. So we have to select the cell. We have to get 4 1 1. Here see here this in this cell we have true will get true. Here if true false will get true. Here false true. Anyone will be true will get true. If I change this to 0, so we'll get false only in this row. In this row only. And here 1, here 0. So for that here will get true. Here 0 0 will get here false. So here 1 0 will get true here. So here true false will get true because of 1 is true, 1 is false. Any one is true will get true. Both are false will get false. Okay. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.